Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Pay. Welcome to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I am actually gonna get a sew-in for the first time ever in my life. So yeah, I'm gonna have some fake hair suit to my real hair. So yeah, since it's my first time, I'm a little bit excited and scared at the same time, but I know everything's gonna turn out right. So yeah, the hair that I'm gonna be using is some hair that I got from Julia Hair. Peruvian straight hair in 22 inches. So this is quite long, guys. So yeah, I got three bundles of 22 inches and a closure of 20 inch, but I'm not gonna be using the closure. I'm actually gonna have some leave out so that it's gonna be look a little bit more natural. So yeah, I am not gonna do that myself. I am actually gonna get it professionally done. I'm gonna go to a salon here in Montreal that it's called the Salon W. So all the infos are gonna be in the description box, as well as the hair info from Julia Hair. Yeah, so you're gonna come with me and you're gonna see the process of me getting sew-in for the first time. So yeah, this is the length of my real hair right now. So I'm excited. Pray for me, guys. You're gonna come with me.